Hello students, this is the beginning of Chapter 5 where we're going to be talking about the integumentary system, known to us more familiarly as the skin. And we'll start off talking a little bit about the anatomy of the skin. First of all, the skin has 3 layers. It has the epidermal layer, the epidermis, which is the outermost layer. Then the middle layer, the dermis. And then finally the lowest layer, the deepest region, which is called the hypodermis. Let's take a look at this figure. Again, this figure is in your book, as well as all the figures are in your book, by the way, in this chapter and all the other lectures. Here's the outermost layer. Here's the epidermal layer. And then in here, this is the dermis, the dermal layer. And then finally, at the very bottom is the hypodermis, the hypodermal layer. Notice the skin has several important structures in it. They're called skin appendages, or also nervous structures. Those structures primarily lie in the dermis, the dermal layer. They include sensory structures, including sensory nerve fibers, Pacinian and Meissner corpuscles, the hair follicle receptors. And these are all receptors that are involved in sensation, sensing touch, pressure, and also pain. Also in that dermal layer are the hair follicles, the hair roots, from which the hairs of the skin extend. Associated with each hair follicle is a sebaceous gland. This is a gland that secretes an oily, waxy substance called sebum that helps to lubricate the skin. And then finally in that dermal layer, the other skin appendages that we also have the sweat glands, both apocrine and eccrine sweat glands. And their function is essentially to produce sweat. And that is the initial anatomy of the skin. Thank you.